If you're looking for a free way to advertise your massage business, social media is the way to go. The only investment required is your time. Hi, I'm Nicole from ClinicSense, and in today's video we're covering how to create and execute a social media plan for your massage therapy business, and 5 great ideas you can try today. So, your time is your money, let's get into it. First, start with a goal for your content marketing. Don't start posting on social media until you have a clear objective. Pick one thing to focus on, for example, community education. Once you have a goal, figuring out what to post becomes easier. Then create a plan and use marketing tools. Create 2 to 4 weeks of posts all at once. Each post should help you achieve your goal. Decide how often you want to post, then create a calendar for scheduling posts regularly. There are many marketing tools available to help you schedule and publish posts in bulk. Third, commit to consistency. Pick a day every 2 to 4 weeks to schedule your social media posts. Then, set aside 10 minutes a day to engage with social media posts. It's important to respond to the messages people leave you and to engage in other people's content. And lastly, track your progress. Monitor what's working and what's not. Track how many visitors your website is getting from your social media. It's important to remember that it could take a few months of consistently posting before you start to see results. And if you still aren't seeing results, that's okay. Change your strategy and start again. Here are 5 quick examples of strong social media posts for your massage therapy business. Promote holiday specials. Every season has a holiday, so create social media content for any or all of them. Promote new services. If you're offering something new, social media is a great way to share it. Educate your client and your audience. Become a valuable resource by sharing information in your industry. This positions you as an expert, and when they're ready for a massage or treatment, they'll remember you. Introduce your massage therapy team. A good way to get more shares on social media is to tag people. So if you have a team, introduce them, and it also gives them a reason to share the post so more people can see it. Advertise your new location or even updates in your area. Having an in-person location is a unique marketing tool that you can use to connect the people around you. If you're changing location, or if there is anything going on in your area, definitely update people on social media. If you're looking for a clinic management software to help with the marketing for your massage therapy business, give ClinicSense a try. It is super easy to integrate into your socials and makes booking so easy. Thanks for watching, we hope it helped, and see you next time.